What? I feel sick.
Well, you shouldn't have said chocolate milk, because you're allergic to it.
I'm not allergic to it. You're allergic.
What?
What?
What am I allergic to?
I don't know.
Latex?
You're gonna get pregnant. Pregnant condom.
I'll just use the garbage bin.
Oh, I bet he'll like that. I bet he'll like that.
He will.
Yeah. Yeah, who?
I know he will.
Who?
Crystal.
Later. But dude, seriously, I feel sick. No, I'm just kidding.
Tic Tac?
No! I don't, I just want